Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I am going to be doing a haul video for you. So recently I went to Seattle with my friends Clarice and Mimi, and we basically just went for like a girls trip, and it was really fun. And while we were there, we definitely hit up the shops, and I bought a few things and I can't wait to share them with you guys. So let's just get to it. So I'm going to start off with the things that were repurchases that they don't sell here in Canada that I definitely made sure to stock up on when I was there. First being my Flower Beauty Hydrating Primer. You guys know I use this one all the time and I really like it. It's just very hydrating and it makes the makeup go on really smooth and seamlessly, and I decided to get a backup. I was gonna get two, but it seemed a little excessive and it's a little expensive, I'm not gonna lie. The next thing I got was the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Again, I really like the setting spray. It definitely helps to melt all the products into the skin. I already have one, but I feel like it's almost empty. They just feel like they get lighter. It's kind of hard to tell when they are actually empty. I'm gonna put some on right now because I forgot. And the mist on this is literally perfect because it's an aerosol can. It's very even and you never get like too much in one place. On to new stuff. And no, not everything in this haul is makeup. There is some clothing, there is some jewelry, there is some body care, so it's definitely gonna be a mix. So I'm just gonna show you as I pick it up. Next I got a deodorant. This is by the brand Native. It is what I thought it was a natural deodorant. I don't think it is, but this is cucumber and mint scented. It's paraben and aluminum free, and I just want to try out some more deodorants and see if there's ones out there that I like more. I also got the Milani mascara. This one is called Highly Rated. They came out with 3 new mascaras. I actually kind of want to try the other 2 more, but this is the only one I had, and honestly I'm not too finicky, so I figured I'd just pick this one up. And in case you're wondering what stores we hit up while we were there, we went to Ulta, we went to Walgreens, Target, and Forever 21. Yeah, I think that's it. At least those are the only stores that I bought things from. Next thing I got was this Catrice, and this is their multitasking fixing spray. And funny thing is, me and Clarice both wanted this, but I saw it and she wasn't around, and I picked it up and then she went there and there was no more left. She was not pleased. But anyways, I heard a lot of good things about this primer and I really wanted to give it a try. I heard Kathleen likes using it. I swear she has the tiniest hands, because when she held this it looked like it was this size, and then I hold it and it looks like so tiny. Next thing I bought was this top and base coat. They're both by the brand, it just says FP. I don't know if that stands for something. Yeah, I guess it's just FP, but this is their Calcium Boost base coat, and this is supposed to help make your nails stronger as well because it has the calcium in it. And then the top coat is a gel-like top coat, and I definitely want something that'll help my nail polish to last longer. And I never really used base or top coats, but I want to get more into painting my nails, so I figured I'd give these a try. They were recommended by the store worker and hopefully they work well. By the way, he was the nicest guy. He helped us get a taxi, and apparently in Seattle taxis are like not a thing. So anytime we had to ask someone for a taxi, it took them like 20 minutes to get a hold of anyone. So we really appreciated all the people who helped us get taxis while we were there. Next time we'll just get Uber. Next thing I got was the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. It says it lasts up to 24 hours. No, I will never be testing that out. I never wear my foundation that long. I'm never awake that long. And I got this because, again, a lot of people were talking really well about it, saying that it looked really natural. It includes sunscreen in it, which I really like because I want to get more into wearing sunscreen as well. So I figured I'd give this a try. And speaking of sunscreen, I bought some sunscreen. This is a Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel lotion, and it is a sunscreen. I'm actually excited to try this out because I love their water gel moisturizer. So I'm kind of hoping it's a similar texture, and it also came with this little travel size, which is really cute. I feel like anyone with a travel size sunscreen would go through it like that. But yes, it says it's water resistant and it's non-greasy, and one of the things I don't like about regular sunscreens is one, they feel so thick. So I'm hoping that because it's a water gel, it won't feel like that. Two, they feel greasy, so it's not greasy, so I'm hoping this is great. Next thing I got was this Physicians Formula, and this is a melting cleansing balm. So it's a 3-in-1 cleansing balm that melts away makeup, deeply cleans away impurities, leaves skin fully supple and hydrated. And I really want to try a cleansing balm because I've never tried one before, and I feel like this would be so much easier because you could just literally leave it in your shower. You're already in there anyways, might as well wash the makeup off your face, have it go right down the drain. You're standing there anyways. And I tried the Clinique one and that worked really well, but it felt really oily. This one, you're supposed to rinse it off after you use it, so I'm hoping this works really well. And I'm gonna put it to the test afterwards by washing this makeup off because this is a lot. So if we can get through this, I'll be impressed. Something not makeup related, I got these earrings from Forever 21. They're the ones that clip onto your ears, and I thought they looked really cool, and I like that I don't have to get my ears pierced just to wear them. I'm trying to get into wearing earrings because I never do. Hopefully I wear these. The next thing I got was this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow. So this is like a burnt orange eyeshadow. I hope you guys can see all the products because in the camera it just looks like everything's glaring, so I'm trying to move them around a bit. But I want a burnt orange eyeshadow to add to my travel palette because I have some oranges but I don't have a burnt orange, and I really like this color. This is the color I gravitate towards a lot. So I got this one and hopefully it works really well. I also got this Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is one of their new ones. It's in the shade Awesome Blossom, and I've always heard great things about these highlighters, but anytime I've seen them, they have been way too light. So why not just swatch these two right now? So this is the orange eyeshadow. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, that's like right up my alley. That's exactly what I was looking for. And then the highlighter, look how pretty that is. You see that? It almost looks like it's gold with like a almost like rosy gold undertone. In person it definitely looks very gold, but that's it right there. Ooh, that's very pretty. It's like a very warm highlight. And most of my highlights kind of tend to run a little bit more neutral, so I'm excited. Next thing I got was this brow gel. This is by Femme Couture, and it is their clear brow gel. And actually, I am really excited to try this because I'm actually almost out of my L'Oreal one, and I have been looking and I can't find it. And I love it, and it's upsetting me that I can't find it. So I figure I better start trying new things now. I also got a nail filer because I just don't have one, and I find that I'm always wanting to reach for one and I just don't have it. Next up I have this eyeshadow, and this is by the brand Black Radiance, and this is in the shade Eye Candy, and it looks really pretty. It looks like a purple eyeshadow with a teal duochrome to it, and I really want to test it out right now, so let's just swatchy. Oh my god, I can't get into this. Okay, we're in. So yes, like I was saying, it's by the brand Black Radiance, which is a black owned brand. That is very, very liquidy. I did not expect that. I kind of thought it was more like a pop, but it's kind of more like a cream eyeshadow, which I still really like. I've been hearing a lot that you would like some more colorful looks on my channel, so I figured I'd give this a try. This is an eyeshadow base, but I kind of want to like use it as like the star of the show. It looks very blue, but you can definitely see that like purplish tint to it. But it definitely has a lot of like reflective power behind it, so I'm excited to try that. Then the next thing I got was this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So as you guys know, I already have 3 of these. But I heard this one was a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam one, and I really like the look of that palette. I just don't want to pay that price. So I figured I'd give this a try. And I already know that I love these eyeshadows, so I figured this is going to be great because I love the colors. I know I love the formula. So these are the colors. I'll swatch 3 of them for you. I totally put that last swatch over that third one. But as you can see, very, very pretty. The pigments are really nice. They are very smooth. Okay guys, we're on to our last two items, and they're both clothing. So the first thing I got was this sweater dress. So it's that sweater material. The sleeves are a little bit, I don't know what you would call that, like pinched almost, like where they're just smaller here because it's like a sweatshirt material. And then the top is see-through. And I kind of had an idea to do a DIY with this. I'm gonna debate if I feel like I can't do it or do it well. I'm not gonna risk ruining the dress, but if I feel like I can, then I will. And I'll show you guys. I also got this backpack, which I forgot to mention in that actual video, so I just want to show it to you guys. So it's like a faux leather backpack. It has these two pockets on the side. It also has these two like faux leather straps that connect to fabric, and then inside there are a few pockets. It was kind of hard to get a good view of all of them, but yeah, I got this backpack and this is what it looks like on, and it is very, very nice. And it's going to replace the one that I brought with me on the trip because I bought a new one for the trip and it immediately broke. And then the next thing I got was a t-shirt. And for those of you who are my family and know what my favorite movie is, you can probably guess what this t-shirt's going to be. Guess. I'll give you a moment. That was barely a moment. I got a Jurassic Park t-shirt. I got a really big size so I can use it as a night shirt, but I love it. Maybe I'll wear it out. There's a good chance I'll wear it out. I hope you guys liked this haul video. I really enjoyed showing you guys what I got in Seattle, and I will be bringing you a first impressions with all these new products very soon. So just stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos every Monday and Thursday, and leave a comment below because I love reading them and I love responding. And I will see you guys next time.